This is Paul from Boatshed, Lancashire, on this lovely 1998 Liverpool boats, 42-foot narrowboat. It's had a lot of work done recently. Recently been refitted. Benefit some Webasto wet heating system. Obviously you've got your standard wood burner. Nicely decorated. Nice little size galley as well on this. Fridge, gas cooker, cassette toilet, spare cassette. A brand new shower being fitted as well, and shower tray cubicle. Storage, and obviously a switch for the to pump out from the shower. Into the main bedroom. He's also got access through that door out into the crotch area. Television, privacy door here. Plenty of storage under the bed. And you've got, looks like you've got some limited hanging space in here. And obviously storage up there as well. Blinds.